The basics of business communication involve a set of skills and principles that are essential for establishing effective interactions in the professional world. Good business communication relies not only on delivering messages but also on understanding the context, audience, and goals to be achieved. Here are several important aspects of the fundamentals of business communication. Verbal communication. Verbal communication is a form of communication that uses words to convey messages. This communication is divided into two types, oral and written. Oral communication includes face-to-face conversations, meetings, phone calls, or presentations, allowing direct interaction with the audience. Written communication, on the other hand, includes the use of emails, letters, reports, memos, and other business documents that are used to convey messages in a formal and structured manner. In both types of communication, it is crucial to speak or write clearly, concisely, and understandably. Nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication refers to the delivery of messages through body language, facial expressions, hand gestures, posture, and eye contact. Although we may not always be aware of it, nonverbal communication has a significant impact on business interactions, as it can either reinforce or change the meaning of the verbal message being conveyed. For example, a speaker delivering information with open posture and good eye contact is generally considered more confident and trustworthy than someone who avoids eye contact or uses closed body language. Interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication refers to communication that occurs between two or more people in a business context. This type of communication is crucial in the workplace, whether interacting with colleagues, superiors, or clients. In interpersonal communication, the ability to listen actively and with empathy is very important. Active listening means giving full attention to the speaker, responding wisely, and providing space for them to express their views. Effective interpersonal communication also involves conflict management, problem solving, and delivering messages that are honest and open. Organizational communication. Organizational communication is the flow of information within an organization, both vertically and horizontally. Vertical communication occurs between superiors and subordinates, while horizontal communication happens between colleagues at the same level. Both types of communication are essential to ensure that relevant information reaches the right people and that coordination between departments or teams runs smoothly. Effective organizational communication also depends on the systems in place within the company, such as the use of intranet, meetings, or communication apps to facilitate information exchange. Clear and precise messaging. The success of business communication heavily depends on the ability to deliver messages clearly and accurately. When conveying information, it is important to use simple and direct language, avoiding ambiguity and confusing words. A clear message is easier for the audience to understand and follow, thereby reducing the risk of misunderstandings that could harm the business. Active listening. Active listening is a communication skill that is often overlooked, but it is vital in any business interaction. Active listening is not just hearing what is being said but understanding, analyzing, and responding appropriately. By listening attentively, you show respect for the speaker and ensure that the message is received correctly. Listening also opens opportunities to clarify information and strengthen working relationships. Ethics in communication. Communication ethics are the principles that should be upheld in business. Ethical communication requires us to speak honestly, maintain the confidentiality of information, and treat others with respect. Additionally, it is important to avoid misleading or non-transparent communication, as this could damage personal and organizational reputations. Ethics in communication also includes the responsibility of using communication media wisely and not spreading harmful information. Use of technology. Technology plays a key role in modern business communication. Email, video conferencing, instant messaging, and collaboration platforms are some examples of communication tools used in business to increase efficiency and effectiveness. The appropriate use of technology can speed up the flow of information, enable communication across time and space, and facilitate collaboration between teams that are located in different places. However, the use of technology must be done carefully to avoid issues such as data breaches or misuse of communication tools. Cultural influence. Business communication often involves people from diverse cultural backgrounds. Therefore, it is important to understand how culture can influence the way people communicate. For example, in some cultures, speaking directly and openly is considered important, while in other cultures, more subtle and indirect communication is valued. Being aware of these cultural differences allows us to adjust our communication style and enhance effectiveness when interacting with people from different countries or cultures. Feedback. Feedback is an essential component of effective business communication. Giving and receiving feedback enables individuals and teams to grow, improve performance, and enhance work outcomes. When giving feedback, it is crucial to do so constructively, offering clear and useful suggestions. On the other hand, when receiving feedback, we must be open to hearing criticism and seek ways to improve ourselves. Good feedback can strengthen professional relationships and improve overall work quality. By mastering these basics of business communication, one can communicate more effectively, strengthen team performance, and achieve organizational goals. Good communication is the key to success in the ever-evolving business world.